Hi, this is Kathy from Fabric Bash. Wanted to talk today about one of my favorite products in the store, one we use every single day. I could talk thread all day long, forever, but one of our products that we have by Habendash is Glide Thread. Habendash, Glide Thread. Mostly we use King Spools 40 weight, but what I also love is the Spool 60 weight. We have Magnet Glides as well. We have the small spools, 40 weight. These are fabulous for embroidery. I even use some of the smaller spools every once in a while on smaller projects on my long arm, and they work fabulous. We have this wonderful card here that has all of the colors that you can pick from to have in your home, so you can figure out and try to match with your quilt top. Now, I use 40 weight in the top and the bottom, the bobbin. I use 60 weight mostly in the bobbin, but I have used it in the top. I love when I'm doing stitching in the ditch to have the 60 weight. And our embroiderers just love the little spools. We have all of the colors here at the store. So it is a very strong polyester thread. It doesn't lint in your bobbin as much as cotton. It's nice and strong. Even the 60 weight, as I pull on it here, gives it a little bit of a tug there, and it still holds. It's fabulous. This one is a hot mess, so don't want to worry about that. What I also like about the spool of thread is this hidden little thing right here. So we have this little, when I put it down, I only have a little bit of thread left, and I still want to put it on the counter up in our long arm room with all of our threads. I can then, and it holds it nice and tight. So that's kind of a fun little unique thing. Let me show you a few samples that I have here. Glide thread works fabulous whether I have double batting, single batting, wool batting. It is 60 weight, all of that good stuff. It is fabulous in the long arm. All day long we're using it. So right here is, you can see I have an 80-20 and a wool. And here is some stitching that we've done with it. So you can see it's just perfect. Even I have a little bit of a pop of color here instead of trying to match. That's what I love about also the Glide thread, all of the colors to choose from to get that perfect match. So that's with the wool. Here are some samples of the 80-20. This one here happens to be my most favorite color, mocha. Mocha we use a lot of. I might as well just take stock in that one. So love that. Here is a sample that we have that is not bound quite yet, but this is our cotton, our linen cotton. So you can see that it just melts right down into that texture and gives this beautiful texture. And then on this fabulous one, I just love that I didn't even use a color that was of the fabric. I used this German granite as a fun color. So something that kind of matches all of them, but didn't, that if I would have picked green, it would have like screamed on the white. If I would have picked purple. So I went with something that matched all of them. So that's just another fun thing to think about with thread. Again, we have all of the colors here at Fabric Bash. If you go look at our webpage, you can search thread. And over on the left-hand side of the column, you can search even by color. And they're broken down that way. So, thanks for watching. Give us a thumbs up, subscribe, give a comment or two why you like Glide thread, and we will see you online.